Hi, I'm Miss Fung. Today we're going to look at Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. The first thing we draw is a rectangle with this symbol here, xi. It's a Greek letter and it represents the universal set, or the way I like to remember it, it looks like an if that represents everything, so all the things that we can pick. Then we draw a circle where we draw our outcomes of an event. Now the outcomes is usually represented by a capital letter, and anything outside the circle is a dash, or the complement of that outcome. Example 1. Rolling a die. Let's say what we want are even numbers. So event A is the outcome of rolling even numbers. Now the sample space, all the outcomes, what can we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's our sample space. Event A would be the even numbers, 2, 4, and 6. And not A, or the complement of A, would be 1, 3, and 5. We can put this in the diagram. So the event A goes inside the circle, and what's not in event A goes outside the circle. Recall this formula from last time. So the number of successful outcomes we can represent it as n of A, and the total number of outcomes we can now represent as n of xi. Example 2. There are 26 students, 10 of them ate apples today. We can draw a diagram and we may answer some questions. So let's have a look. If there are 10 students that ate apples, that goes inside the circle. Now the total number of students will go next to xi, and I like to put the total right outside because I can then add all the sections and make sure that it adds up to the 26, the outside number. Take note in the following examples of numbers that I'm putting inside the diagram and outside the diagram. So here I'm just showing you what these represent. So the number inside A is 10, and the number outside of A, or not A, or the complement of A is 16. The number of total outcomes, or the sample space, is 26. The probability of A is worked out by doing that. So we have 10 over the total 26, which can simplify to 5 over 13. The probability of A dash, or probability of not A, or probability of complement of A, I'm trying to use all the three terminology so you don't get confused, is, so the number of not A is 16 over 26. And that simplifies to be 8 over 13. Example 3. Now you try. Let's say there are 15 coins and 15 of them are gold. How would you answer all those 5 questions? Give it a go and unpause the video when you're ready to check your answers. So we have 15 goes in there, 50 goes next to the xi outside, 50 minus 15 is 35, so there's 35 in that area. Double check 15 plus 35 does give me 50. So n of A is 15, n of A dash is 35, n of xi is 50, probability of A is 15 over 50, which simplifies to be 3 over 10, and probability of complement of A is 35 over 50. So divide by 5, we simplify it to is 7 over 10. I hope you got that correct. So get used to all these symbols, and I'll see you in the next video.